put some oil in a pan first and let it heat up a little. Okay. So just putting this on a high flame so that oil gets hot faster. So when I'm preparing over here, I am having some coriander leaves and some salt which I'm keeping ready, and I'm keeping 2 paws ready, and a small little thingy for for. Okay. Don't notice the dirty piece of tea which I kept over there. Okay, now I reduce the flame and I put a few coriander leaves to fry. Okay. So while I'm doing this, I kept my flame on reduced, and this is then that I break my egg. Not my egg, the chicken's egg. My eggs are already broken. Okay. And now while I'm doing this, I just spread the yolk of the egg a little more. I got to break this. And I spread this all around. Okay, I keep the flame a little low at this stage because I don't want all of it to get cooked together. Okay. Then I throw in some salt, right? I throw in some salt over here. Then I come here and put some chili powder. Okay, some turmeric, and this is I think dhana jeera powder, right? And then little garam masala. Okay. Now at the meantime, just notice that this is not fully cooked, so I take the pav and dabaw the pav. Okay. So the pav is getting dabawed underneath, and I put a little oil around so that the okay. Then I also put some oil on top of the pavs, because when I'm going to flip them, I want them to, do that. In the meantime, I also take this and dabaw the pav. I seem to be getting good at this, dabawing pavs. So, and I take this whole chap and I just turn him around. Okay. And then the flame is increased a little. Then for a good measure, I just take this and flip this once more, so I can put a little chili powder on the pav, then followed by a little more oil, followed by a little salt. Okay, and maybe a few coriander leaves just for the heck of it. Then a little oil again. And then I do a flippy again on it. Now I do a flippy, this way. Okay. And are we good now? Okay. Then I look under the skirt so that I know that the cutting has to be proper. So last time I did it, I had the and then I turn this around, and there we are. Then I put them on this plate. Yippee! Okay.
不要油条，因为饭团上不要油条，我知道。那个蛋不会带哦，那个油条可以吃饭。后面有一个饭团蛋，后面的饭团蛋了。没有油条。会不会少一个？
来，
蛋饼会高一点吧？会高平吧？蛋饼要不要加酱？不要哈。酱下了哈。咸香加辣。哎，对对，有一个饭团有加，它那个袋子是没有加油条。酱下了哈，来谢谢。哦，谢谢你。哎，弄别家，你无饮料嘛哈？无哦 ，OK 好。啊，先加上几行。
3个100块。3个100块。一个多少钱？一个是35。35。需要香菜。为了帮你要加好好。
要几份全部？
买一个。你一个要不要香菜？买一个可以放到碗需要香菜。这个怎么价？
晚上放个1斤的话这样啊。
那就不要。
那待会回来再。
哇，好好看啊！
回来一个。
我都不知道你是讲我不够少。
真的。
3个100块。要4个吗？5个。好，总共5个，好好。你要这个，好。
Restaurant here, you get a small menu and you just need to tick or make your strike. And you always get served here this sliced ginger. So pork chop, this is the red bean cake or something. And we are waiting for some xiaolongbao as well. So here we have this xiaolongbao, little dragon baozi dumpling thing. And be careful because these little buggers are pretty hot. So you dip it here in the soy sauce, a little bit vinegar and ginger. And like I said, be careful because inside is some boiling hot sauce. So when you poke in, let me show you. Hot oil also comes out from the meat inside. It's gonna burn yourself. Yeah guys, if you pass by a shop with a queue, you might also want to queue up because the food in there is delicious. Here we have the Yongkang beef noodles. I guess it's some lean beef brisket, nice noodles. That's a beautiful Saturday morning. Hello everybody. It's day 2 or 3. Yeah, let's say it's day 2. I won't count the first night. Anyways, I'm going to meet a former colleague of mine. He lives in Taiwan. He's Taiwanese, so he returned back. And I'm gonna meet him for some Taiwanese breakfast at Yonghe Doujiang near Dongmen Station. So I'm pretty hungry already, and I'm looking forward to the Taiwanese breakfast. I mean, he was asking me if I want Austrian or German or American style brunch. I said, dude, I'm in Taiwan. I want to have Taiwanese food, right? So yeah, let's see how it is. Yeah, there was a bit of change of plans now. Now we're just walking around here at Dongmen, now at the Yongka street, grabbing some snacks here and there. So check it out, they have some fried bread here. I guess it's with sweet filling, chicken fried. Yeah, let's see what Carl's gonna choose. Oh, so on the second floor, it's quite big, eh?
你是几点开始做的？早上几点？
我们是3点起床，3点半过来，然后客人要买的话要6点。
哇，那你很早就准备了？
对，我们要3点起床。
2个半小时准备。
啊，有些东西你要从家里弄好，像菜包啊、酸菜啊，你从家里洗好来。嗯。也可以。哦，
这个是右边，这个是菜包，这个是酸菜。
那个是酸菜。
老油条啊，这个呢？这个也是菜包。
那个是荤的，那边是素的。
哦，有分荤的菜包跟素的菜包。
有的客人要吃素。我们上个礼拜天那个狮子会订300个饭团。
300个饭团。
300个饭团，还好算是吃中午。早上我的话我就没有办法。
中午你不要搞了。
哎呀，早上没有办法。
300个饭团大了，包个多。
这个是煎包。
哎，这是锅贴。
锅贴。对，不是包子，是锅贴。
来，这边舞台的谁的？舞台的。3个里面哦。
这2边大杯啊。
小哥，谢谢。
好。
要不理财。
来了，然后我要那个啦，一糖豆浆1杯啦。
大杯小杯。来了，
大中小随便。
我们多少没有？
不要了之后，尽量马上，要轮到我再跟我讲。
油条。
大杯小杯。
你应该是把所有的配料都加好，就再来开始。大火，你现在
大杯啊。
I don't think it's